sorry. Wait, the Prowler? The thief who runs around in purple?
Former thief. We're not partnering. It's just a one-time thing.
Your uncle's Prowler. That's a lot, man. Like, a lot.
I know. I gotta go, Genki. I'll fill you in later. You guys take returns?
Be quick about this, nephew. I'm trying to shut down cameras and alarms to keep more of them from coming. Break the wires above the fan and it should stop.
Thanks. Gotta disable that fan somehow. Okay, spinning blades of death. Got it. There's the fan controls. Dang! Gotta keep them in place somehow. Yes! Now for the wires. Battery needs a charge. Please don't explode. Nice. Okay. Camera, video. Here it is.
Okay. Core dump's a two-person job. You start to override here, I confirm it there. Step one in wiping new form from existence.
Any regret? Destroying the thing you made?
You've seen me lately, right? Let's make the world safer.
Ready?
Ready.
Triggering override in 3, 2...
Ben!
That wasn't me!
Industrial sabotage, Rick? Really? No one's gonna care about a few sick people uptown or a dead engineer. You're just the cost of doing business.
No!
I can stop it! I can stop this!
Rick, no!
No! Ben! Don't look!
Someone else is in there. Find out.
Rick was trying to save people, and Krieger killed him. I have to finish what they started. Uncle Aaron, can you unlock the reactor shooting from where you are?
Why? You got your phone. Now let's leave.
That reactor killed my friend. It needs to be shut down, permanently. I need your help, Unc. Please. Uncle Aaron?
Okay. Stand back.
Thanks, Unc. Whoa. Just like the generator outside! Only huge!
What are you doing? Mom, stop! Mom! Alright? You gotta get out of there, man. Can you move?
Yeah.
Go down that hallway. Now!
I feel real bad right now. It's like it's tearing me. I can't. I can't hold the energy.
Mom, talk to me, kid. You alright?
I feel like I just got dropped out of a plane. But at least the reactor's disabled.
You're almost out.
I really needed that phone. Now what am I gonna do?
Come on, kid. I can't get to you before Roxxon does.
Stand down! We're taking you into custody!
They've got orders to capture you.
Why? What do they want?
Study you. Interrogate you. Don't know, don't care. Just don't let them.
It can't take much more!
Ah, damn.
What?
Miles, I just got booted from the system. Give me a minute. I'll get you out of there.
Got it.
Detain him! Stay focused on the target! Quit moving! Neutralize Spider-Man!
This yours?
Got him in my sight! Hey, come here! Moving in! He's gonna throw it! Target hit! Come here!
Batter up!
Let's go, before more of them show up.
Whoa. That was super cool cloaking tech. How does it work?
You take the left, I'll take the right. This is bad, Miles. Real bad.
Don't worry. We can take these guys.
Oh, I ain't worried about that. I'm worried about after we get out of here. We're both on Krieger's short list now.
You've already finished! Warm up in The 8th train will be passing by soon.
What does that matter?
You'll see. Just keep fighting.
He's gonna throw it!
Okay, train's almost here. Get ready.
Ready to fire!
Through the hole. Hurry. You need to lay low. Don't trust anybody, and don't take off that mask. Wait till Roxxon finds a better target.
I can't lay low. I still need to find Finn.
Your friend's the Tinkerer. No wonder you care so much about this.
It's not just that. Protecting New York is my job.
use Finn. Tell her you want to join the underground.
You just told me don't take off the mask.
Don't tell her you're Spider-Man. Go to her as a friend.
No, she's too smart for that.
You'd be surprised. People get stupid when they care about someone. Like you're being stupid now.
If I told her the truth...
I told your dad the truth. Thought he had my back. Hoped he would. And my brother. Instead, he cut me out. If I kept my mouth shut, maybe I'd still have a family. You know what you have to do.
Okay, I should call Finn? No. I've got time to check on the city. Yeah.
Watch it, Miles. You know how many followers you've gained since the app went live? It's crazy.
Looks like Teo's bodega was robbed. Looks like Teo's bodega was robbed. Hope I can help.
Miles, you know how many followers you've gained since the app went live? It's crazy. I've been running some numbers, and I know you said no to ads before.
Hey, right here.
What? Not you. My cat. Named after the real Spider-Man. Bunch of jerks broke in here and robbed my place. Think they took Spider-Man too.
That's awful. You see where they went?
Overheard them say they're hitting the power substation. Couple blocks over.
I'll find them. And your cat.
Sure, kid. Guess it can't hurt.
Should probably call Genki when I get there. Why would these dudes go to a power station? There's my way in. Genki, I need help. Some dudes robbed Teo's bodega, then headed to the closest power station.
Weird. You got my full attention. Watching through your live stream.
They're shooting transformers? Okay.
How many of these?
The other folks who robbed Teo's place? Where's Spider-Man? Where is Spider-Man? So, man, that sounds crazy.
Figure out what we're doing here. Oh man, this job is so not worth it.
What? You guys hate Christmas lights or something?
This station's output is down to 64%. Maybe you can find a backup.
Good thinking on the backup systems. You're good at this hero stuff.
Nah, I'm just a spectator.
Just need to find Teo's cat. Spider-Man! Wait! Wait! Spider-Man went down that elevator shaft. I'm coming for you, Spider-Man. Hang tight. Spider-Man, Wait!
I think I know what these dudes want. There's a bank on this block. No power means no security.
So if we fix the power, we're preventing a big... Tyson?
Stopping crime before it begins. In a world where only two men can see the future, only they can stop it.
All right. Gotta focus.
He's mine! All right, who let Spider-Man to us? Derek? Oh, I know it was Derek! You ain't getting through me! Take back, you little... Keep him on Stay still!
Sounds like someone's paying them. Any idea who? What?
So, output's at 0.
I got that.
Pulling up emergency lights. Okay. You can restore power if you charge the other backups.
On it. Man, how many people does it take to bust a power switch? What's up? Who's your boss? Anybody I know?
Kid! Watch it! Taking the shot!
Need to find the backup systems. Okay, gotta push ahead. Find the main generator. Hope I can fix it. These guys keep talking about their boss. Any idea who it is?
Dude, a lot of people want to rob banks.
It was worth a try. There's the main breaker. Gotta clear out these guys. Then I can figure out how to fix it.
My turn!
Forget this! Going in loud!
Take your pick! Lucky shot, kid! Can't hit him up there! You're smaller! Let's see how you... Dodge this!
Time to check the breaker. No good. Board's not powered. Need a generator. Here we go. Generator's on. I don't think it's hooked up. Connection solid. Power should be rerouted. Time to flip the breaker.
Let there be...
What the hell was that noise? It's okay.